This is Jeffrey here in Austin, Texas. I'm right down the street from West Slaughter and South First. This is South First right here. In the background is no copyright needed background music. I just come from a pawn shop over there. I sold a camcorder that breaking into clips videos for $20. I didn't want that, I want one clip. Now I'm testing this video camera again. Boy, this is a Sony HD HANDYCAM. I'm testing it again to see will it get at least 25 or 30 or 35 minutes on one clip. It appears to be in the high 80s in temperatures and cool down. Wind is blowing. Put this backpack on my back. The guy in the pawn shop that sold that bought the camcorder, he really got into GoPro. We were talking GoPros. There was one there that screw onto a tripod. That's hard to find, because most of them don't have that hole. You had to get other parts, accessories for that, but it was a little bit too high. So I could just Google GoPros that screw on a tripod. That's all I had to do at the beginning. Let me put on my gloves. Just for
in many cases, it's only part of the story.
Bike, bicycle riding look. I quit wearing them to match with, but I'm matching while I'm riding the bike.
When the pressure's on,
but
when the stakes are high,
I wanted to quit wearing them. Well, I quit wearing them. I used to wear them to match with.
Showing up every time.
In a way, that don't look right to me, wearing them. But it came to me, I was hiding my rings too much. But I really don't need them to match because I got twice colors. I got colors twice like I like without the gloves. Gray in the tennis, gray in the cap. By the way, people have told me they like the cap. Life is beautiful. We need to just make the best of it, We only get one to live,
Research hospital. And their mission to find cures for more children. Families never receive a bill from St. Jude for treatment, travel, housing, or food, so they can focus on helping their child survive. You can help these families by becoming a partner in hope. Become a partner in hope at stjude.org and get one of these t-shirts. Please donate today at stjude.org.
Oh, phone. Okay. My phone was up here. Put on my gloves. I want to test this, see how long this camcorder, this Sony will go on one clip. Doing a video of me lip syncing the song. The Lord is good, but it's a little bit too windy. Back on the 10, the bus I catch the most in Austin. I just broke my new bus pass in, and it ran out, but it got reloaded. It's supposed to be a year bus pass, but it ran out of 6 months. And then I got it reloaded at the church. They give them out community, Sunrise. Well, it's Sunrise Community Church, They cater to, they help homeless people, I'm not homeless, but I ride the bus a lot, gonna have to get rid of it. So I'm riding, y'all. When this start going downhill, I'm gonna have to just not really go that fast. Or sit the camcorder down. Wow, this bike riding pretty
The
good.
future of home shopping is here, and it's only on Homes.com. Introducing Homes AI.
Welcome back. How can I help?
Holmes, please find me a 3-bedroom home in
Let me skip
Atlanta.
this.
I love to cook. Show me the kitchens.